you're 100% in, that means getting the BMW because that means you have belief in what you're doing.
BMW car bonus program is huge. Another round of applause for our BMW qualifiers.
BMW, the ultimate driving machine. The company has a car program that you can actually qualify to receive a BMW that is a lifetime bonus. All you have to do is become a supervisor. Now you may ask yourself, what does that mean? What's a supervisor? A supervisor is you have about 100 members in your company, in your business. Most of those people are just consuming the product and have a small customer base. Probably got a half a dozen or so that are working or promoting the business. Ultimately, sales is about 15,000. And what happens, you become a supervisor, and as a supervisor or higher, you're always going to get that car bonus. And of course, it's for a lease or a purchase of a BMW. You start out as a supervisor, you get 400, 500, 600, 800, 1,000. As you advance in the company, $1,000 a month, they will reimburse you for a purchase or a lease of a BMW.